My name is Kasey Petersen. I have been a dentist for about 15 years, and I've worked in lots of different offices and learned lots of different ways to do things. And I feel like I have learned the ways that I like to do things and some of the ways that I don't want to do things. And so I've gotten a lot of experience just working in several different environments. And ultimately, that led me to wanting to open my own practice. I am excited to be opening a practice in my hometown and caring for my own community. I'm looking forward to getting going. Choosing Maritza and her team and choosing MDent because I felt comfortable from our very first conversation. I knew that it was a good fit. I knew that we were going to work well together. I was excited about the fact that Maritza had experience with startup practices, and I knew that she was going to be able to help me. The biggest thing that stood out was that I knew it would be a good fit because Maritza and her team have systems and checklists in place, and those speak to my heart. And I knew that we would be very thorough and cover all our bases and make sure that nothing was missed or fell through the cracks in getting this practice going. Since working with MDent, I feel comfortable. I feel ready. My practice is going to be opening in the next few weeks, and I know that I have such a good support team behind me that has been helping me all along the way, the process of getting started, and it's going to continue as we get going, just holding my hand and making sure that we are hit the ground running and are very successful. I recommend MDent to any dentist who wanted to start their own practice. They have a wealth of experience and knowledge to share. They're so supportive and helpful. I think the most important thing is they'll help you to elevate your level of care, to start your own practice, to hit the ground running and be successful.